While your head's down, your competitors are getting found. Visibility isn't optional. It's the difference between a phone that rings and one that doesn't. The businesses showing up online every day aren't working harder. They have a better system. That's the problem Republic Systems was built to solve. Welcome to Republic Systems, the AI-operated business system. That means it handles content, publishing, follow-up, and communication automatically, so you can stay visible without babysitting a dashboard. This is not a prompt library. This is not a coaching program. This is not another software tool you have to learn. This is a system that does the work for you. I'm going to show you how it works, starting with the simplest version first. Then I'll show you the content engine, the premium branded version, and the phone agent layer. Tier 0 is Republic Field. This is for businesses that need a simple front door and a phone agent fast. The system gives them an AI-hosted landing page, a call now button, a book appointment button, and a voice agent that can answer calls when they're out in the field. The voice agent can qualify the caller, collect the problem, capture the address or urgency, book the appointment directly to Google Calendar, and send a confirmation email automatically. At the same time, the owner gets a telegram summary of the call. So instead of missed calls and missed opportunities, the business captures the lead automatically. Tier 1 is Autopilot. This is the core content engine. Every morning at 6 a.m., the system searches for trending topics in the client's industry. Then it writes a full SEO-optimized blog post and publishes it directly to their WordPress website. After that, it generates social posts for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, and publishes those too. Then it creates a 60-second AI spokesperson video, uploads it to YouTube, and embeds that video directly into the blog post. So by the time the business owner wakes up, the content is already live. They open Telegram and see a morning briefing with the article title, the links, and everything that went out. They didn't write anything. They didn't post anything. They didn't have to manage another tool. It was just done. Tier 2 is Director. This is for businesses that want premium branded content and a stronger personal connection. Instead of using a generic avatar, the system clones the client's face and voice. That means every article video features them. This matters because people trust faces. They trust familiarity. They trust consistency. So now the business isn't just publishing content. It's publishing content that actually looks and sounds like the brand owner. Introducing the voice agent. This is the 24/7 receptionist layer. It answers calls when the owner is unavailable, handles FAQs, qualifies leads, books appointments, and flags urgent calls immediately. If someone calls with an emergency or a hot lead, the owner gets a Telegram alert right away. Every call gets summarized and logged. So the business doesn't just avoid missed calls, it gets more organized and more responsive automatically. What makes Republic Systems different is simple. Most tools give you another dashboard. Most agencies give you more meetings. Most AI products still leave you with more work. Republic Systems is different because the system is doing the job. It handles content. It handles publishing. It handles briefings. It handles calls. The business stays visible every day without the owner needing to become a marketer, a writer, or a tech person. Republic Systems is tailored for businesses needing consistent visibility and rapid follow-up without a content team. It works especially well for local service businesses, contractors, HVAC, cleaners, handymen, real estate, med spas, lawyers, financial professionals, anyone who needs consistent visibility and faster follow-up. If you're busy, this is for you. If content keeps falling off, this is for you. If you need a simple system that handles the work, this is for you. Here's the next step. Go to republicsystemsai.com and fill out the audit form. It takes about 2 minutes. Tell us your business, your industry, and your biggest challenge. The moment you submit it, the system starts building your personalized demo. Within minutes, you'll get a video made specifically for your business and a breakdown of exactly what would work for your situation. No sales pitch, just a clear look at what AI can actually do for you. If you're tired of content falling off, follow-up getting delayed, or calls slipping through the cracks, Republic Systems gives you a way to handle the whole thing without building a team. Fill out the audit form. See the system work for your business. Then decide.